Credit cards are common financial tools used by individuals and businesses to make purchases and manage expenses. However, it is not used responsibly that can also lead to debt and financial difficulties. To avoid these risks, it's important to understand how credit cards work and how to use them responsibly. Credit card work by allowing you to borrow money from a lender to make purchases. The lender charges interest on the balance owed, and you're required to make monthly payments to pay off the balance. While applying for a credit card, it's important to review the terms and conditions carefully. This includes the interest rates, fees, and other any rewards or benefits that may be available with it. While using credit card, it's important to only make purchases that you can afford to pay off. It can be tempting to use a credit card to make purchases that are outside of your budget, but by doing so, you can lead to debt and financial difficulties. To avoid carrying a balance on your credit card, it's important to make payments on time and it in each full month and in full each month. This will help you avoid interest charges and ensure that you are using your credit card responsibly. To use a credit card responsibly is important to us. Only make purchases that you can afford to pay off. Make payments on time and in full each month. Keep your credit utilization ratio low. Monitor your credit card activity regularly for a fraudulent charge. Credit cards can also offer rewards and benefits such as cashbacks or points for travel. However, it's important to only use these rewards programs if you are able to pay your balance in each month. Otherwise, the interest charges can outweigh the value of the rewards. Monitoring your credit score and credit report regularly can also help you use credit cards responsibly by keeping track of your credit score. Dropshipping is a popular business model used by entrepreneurs to start an e-commerce store without holding inventory. It works by partnering with a supplier who ships the products directly to the customer on behalf of the retailer. To start a dropshipping business, you'll need to set up an online store and find a supplier who offers dropshipping services. You'll then need to list the supplier's product on your store and start promoting your business. Like any business model, dropshipping has its pros and cons. The pros are low startup costs because you don't need to hold inventory. You can start a dropshipping business with relatively lower startup costs. Flexible location. You can run a dropshipping business from anywhere with an internet connection, making it a great option for digital nomads and remote workers. Wide product selections. Because you're not limited by inventory, you can offer a wide selection of products to your customer. Now, what are the cons? The cons are low profit margin. Because you're paying the supplier to handle shipping and inventory, your profit margins may be lower than what a traditional e-commerce business has. And there is limited control. You don't have the control over the shipping and inventory management, which can lead to issues with order fulfillment and customer services. Now, it also comes with dependence on the supplier. If your supplier goes out of business or stop offering dropshipping services, your business may be affected. Now, when selecting a supplier from a dropshipping business, it's important to do your research. Look for a supplier with a proven track record of reliable shipping and quality products. To ensure that your dropshipping business is successful, it's important to focus on customer services and building a strong brand. Providing excellent customer services can help you build a loyal customer base and increase your sales. Finally, it's important to track your sales data and make adjustment to your business as needed. This can also include adjusting your product selection, marketing strategies, and pricing the maximum maximize your profits. In conclusion, dropshipping can be a great option for entrepreneurs looking to start an e-commerce business with low startup costs and flexible location.